Hey friends, Tux here. You know, Sony's had a long time running history with Walkman and the color yellow, okay? And some of you know that I have this little weird obsession. I'm not quite sure why, but I like yellow things on my Sony Walkman NWA 306. Like right here, I have kind of a yellow themed case to it. I have a holder here, yellow striping on it. And one thing I've been looking for a very long time is yellow corded earbuds or in-ear monitors, okay, IEMs, and is a situation where I haven't been able to find the perfect color yellow. There's plenty of them are copper or kind of mustard yellow, but none are kind of like bright yellow, you know? And so one person who is extremely crafty, and I totally respect their judgment on this, she had told me, she was like, well, why don't you just Plasti Dip it? And I was like, whoa, you know, that is a pretty good idea. Will it last? Will it hold up to, you know, Walkman use and abuse, cords rubbing on your pants or whatever? And the answer was not sure, but it will be yellow. Okay, so you know what? I thought, what the heck? I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So I got some Plasti Dip here, okay? If you've had any experience with this, please let me know in the comments below. And before I go further, I should mention I will have a link for this right below. And they have plenty of other colors like orange and that kind of thing. And originally, I think back in that movie Hackers, okay, one of them had a bright neon yellow pager, okay? And I know pagers aren't a thing anymore or whatever, but I've always had a kind of a thing for this bright yellow color, okay? And that is brighter than this even, okay? So if this works good, maybe I might even consider getting a second case and Plasti Dipping a case. Anyway, and they do have like neon orange, red, blue, all sorts of great colors if you have some other color in mind. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try this and we will see how this goes. I don't usually do craft videos on this channel, but I wanted to experiment because I've been having such a hard time finding the perfect yellow cord, okay? So I'm going to take this mission outside here. Plasti Dip, if you're not familiar with it, basically this is a peelable spray-on rubber that you can spray onto things to make them other colors, okay? And it's about 20 bucks, like 15 to 20 bucks, and you get enough here. This is more than enough to do a cord. So this is enough to do a cord and a whole bunch of other stuff. Some people use this on craft projects. Some people even use it on cars. Lots of great uses for this Plasti Dip. So anyway, guys, we're going to give this a little spray outside, and we'll let it dry, and we'll see if I can turn this cord to a amazing neon yellow color. Okay, so here we are outside. I have my headphone cord kind of laid out here on a paper towel, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a first spray with the plastic dip. Okay, so we'll give this a try. I'm gonna give this a couple shakes here. I got chicken cooing in the background there. Okay, we'll give this a couple shakes, couple more shakes. All right, now we're gonna take this off, and I'm gonna give it a few coats. Wow, that chicken really wants to be in this video. That's hilarious. All right, let's go ahead and give us a few sprays. Definitely just coloring that paper towel nice. Oh, it's a really strong smell, so definitely recommend doing this outside. Okay, we're gonna let this dry for a little bit. I think I coated a little bit too much on the end there, so I will have to clean off the 3.5-inch end as well. But a little bug got into it. Anyway, we'll let this dry a little bit, and we'll go ahead and flip it and give it the next coat. And so far, I'd say, I mean, definitely it looks really yellow on the paper towel, but I'm not quite sure how yellow the cord is. So we'll check that out in a bit. Okay, so I had a chance to spray this with multiple coats, both trying to lay it in paper towels and trying to hang it from the air, and I used about 75% of a can, and again, the cans cost between $13 and $20 depending upon the vendor, and this is the outcome so far, okay? And you can see it's kind of inconsistent. It's going to take a little cleaning up. Is it yellow? Yes, it is yellow, but it still doesn't look quite the way I want it to look. I was having a really hard time kind of getting the grooves here. I think if this was a completely white cord, not transparent, it may turn out better too. But I do like the yellow look of it. I mean, with another coat or two, or another can maybe, I think I could get it just the way I want. Like that end looks pretty good. But there's a lot of areas which are inconsistent in their spray. You know, it would almost be better if Plasti Dip was actually a dip where you dip it in a can and pull it out and then hang it somewhere, you know, to really get in those grooves, because it was definitely a problem with this twisting and turning a little as I was spraying. And you can see, like, right there's a whole section that isn't done very well at all. So, you know, it's not bad. The feel of it, though, is kind of weird and sticky, kind of. So I honestly think this is not the best solution, just because I don't think I'd want this rubbing against my head, or it looks like kind of not right, you know. So anyway, guys, people suggested it. It's a really good tip, and I think if you are better at arts and crafts and that kind of thing, and have the patience to, you know, spend more money on it, you can. But keep in mind that the can I purchased was about $20, and we'll just call it 20, you know, and it was probably 17 to be honest, you know. But either way, like if it's $20, and then if I had to buy 2 cans, because again, this is like 75%, and there's still areas that really need more, you know. Some areas look good, some areas kind of don't, you know. So if I had to use, you know, 1 to 2 cans, that's like 20 to $40 worth of paint. And that's on top of the actual price of the in-ear monitor cord. If you're going to experiment with this, I definitely recommend using a cord first that you don't mind throwing away. You know, something that's like one that is okay to get rid of. Maybe it's a freebie cord that came with a pair of in-ear monitors that you decide to upgrade to a more expensive cord, you know. And if it is braided or something, that's going to make it even more difficult to paint, okay? All right, guys, so that's my video on this. My advice is, if you're really in arts and crafts, yeah, it could work. The feel is still a little bit weird, you know, but ultimately for me, it's kind of a fail, probably because of my lack of artistic painting, like weird little thing ability and patience, you know, in time. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you, but good tip, and it could work. Let me know if you've tried this and if it worked for you, because it very well could, but in my case, it was a little bit of a fail. All right, thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.